almost unbiased. So this term is zero. So this bound will bound the variance of the estimator. Okay. Now this is the Cramer-Rao lower bound is bounding the performance of an estimator. Any estimator is a random variable, and as we are dealing with estimators that are close to the bounds, like for example, maximum likelihood is asymptotically achieving or meeting the Cramer-Rao lower bound under some conditions, the best estimator we can get is something that looks like it's distributed Gaussian with zero mean and the Cramer-Rao lower bound as variance. Okay, and we will plot it like this in. Okay, great. Okay, so what do we see here? Let's start with the well-known Gaussian and the quadratic interpolation. The black broken line here is the Cramer-Rao lower bound.